Compressed air is used in many facilities during the packaging phase, or the drying or agitating phase of when you mix a product, or when transporting or propelling a product through the process. Compressed air is created by pulling ambient air and then compressing it. This air may contain water vapor, particulates, oil, vapor, and microorganisms. Also, the air compression process raises the temperature of the air before it is then cooled, which can create water aerosols and droplets of water. That in turn can lead to rust and corrosion in the air compressor or any related transfer piping that can then be blown onto the product. At a minimum, the compressed air should be filtered to remove particulates of 5 microns or larger. Sterile air filter systems may require a filter capable of removing much more, even particles of 0.01 microns or larger. Any attachments, hoses, and O-rings should be regularly inspected to ensure there is no leakage or areas where contaminants could enter the air.